Good evening. We are here to present our project called HotelEase, a web and mobile-based hotel reservation management system with email notifications for Jurias Garden Hotel. To start, my name is Elliot Halili, and we are joined by our group mates, John Margaliwan and Zoe Ezequiel Catalan. To start off our presentation, we have the introduction and problem statement of the title of the project.
For the introductory, Jurias Garden Hotel is a hotel based in El Nido, Palawan, started in 2011. Their current system relies on third-party websites such as Booking.com and Agoda, and their communication base is email based, which is one of their specific problems is not convenient for communicating with the tourists, and their other general problem is lack of full of control within the booking system, room availability, and funds. Jack, you may now proceed. And for our objectives as well, we aim to create a web-based and app-based that is user-friendly and staff-friendly. Next.
For this part, we are now about to present our system. So to start off with our system presentation, we have the user side client. As you can see, you first need an account to sign in to create your booking or reservation. Right now, I already have my account here, so I'll start my booking process now. Let's say that I want to have two rooms and I am joined by three other people, two people for each room. We can then confirm our selection and then choose from the available rooms. Right now, all rooms are available since we don't have any kind of other clients. So we can add the room now, and we also have to select our second room because we said that we would be choosing two rooms. So let's add this room, which is the garden double room, and then and after choosing all of your rooms that are required and fall into the criterion, we can now move on to the payment page. The payment page offers two payment options: the full payment and the down payment. Right now, we'll do the full payment because the down payment makes it so that the reservation isn't active at the very beginning. We can also choose from two payment methods. We're not going to do any special requests. So we'll try PayPal instead of the attachment payment for convenience. Right now, this is our Sandbox PayPal account. So let's log in. And we can complete our purchase. And once this finishes, it should send us back, and we now have a reservation which we can view. Right here, we can see that our reservation is now active. We can choose to cancel it and view our other reservations that we've made. As we can see here, this is another reservation that I made, and it is reserved because it is not fully paid. So now that we see how the booking works on the user side, let's move on to the admin page. Right now, we can see that this dashboard, which is not fully complete, this is the revenue. As you can see here, the revenue for the first quarter, since we don't have data for that quarter, it will not show the total earnings. But if we move to the second quarter, which does have data, you will see that their total earnings equates to 47,250. This is the action page. This is where um, all the meat lies. We can see here we can view the active reservations. I'm pretty sure that this is the reservation that we just booked. We can also modify the rooms, which we don't have much time to do, but we can do a lot of things with the rooms here, as like viewing all the rooms, adding room types, and updating room price. Just an example, we can update room price here. And if we go back and check, I forgot which one it was. Yeah, it's updated now. See, the publish rate is now different. So we can also choose the room images that will be shown on the website. Um, yeah, and that's about it for the admin page. So now we will move on to the mobile application for to be presented by John Mayer Kaliwan.
And I'm here to present the mobile app for the uh, Jurias Garden Hotel. To book a reservation, you should put your check-in and check-out date and the number of rooms and the number of guests. You should specify here the number of rooms that you want to select here. You can see all the available rooms and check out its details. After selecting the required number of rooms, you can click the book now and see all the room facilities that is included in your room. You can also edit your details. You can also see here the computation for the number of nights and your room and its total price. You can also add your credit card information or whatever payment method you will use. For payment, you should check or select whatever card type or payment will you be using. And after that, you can see your payment has been completed, and you can also check out your the details of your booking, and you can also download the ticket of your payment. And after that, you're good to go, and your booking has been complete. I'll be sharing the results of our collection and data analysis. Uh, for the data collection, we did a pre and post test survey containing 40 questions based on ISO 25010 criteria. Each question used a five-point Likert scale, and we had a 30 participants who were recruited through convenience sampling. Surveys were distributed via Google Form. Next slide. For the results overview, we analyzed the data using t-test to compare pre and post-test means. Our findings showed statistically significant improvements across the eight quality criteria we measured. The average rating increased from 3.57 before testing to 4.26 after testing, which represents a jump from good to very good on our rating scale. The substantial improvements were seen in reliability with a t-value of negative 4.4 and the security with a t-value of 4.3, and also the performance efficiency with a t-value of negative 4.3. All improvements were statistically significant with p-values below zero point 0.5. Based on our rating scale interpretation, the system moved from good range to very good range. After participants had the opportunity to use it, these results demonstrate that the system meets or exceeds the user expectation across all measured quality attributes. For the next slide, it will be presented by Aliot Balili.
Go.
From the data, we can observe three things. First of all, neither system scored a mean of lower than 3. This means that both systems were able to satisfy the respondents. But nonetheless, there were still statistically significant differences in the results. This means that the post-test system was still perceived to be better across all margins. So what can we conclude from this? Well, there was no particular criterion that stood out score-wise in the post-test system, although it can still be conclusively said that the post-test system performed significantly better than the pre-test system. What we can see from this is that having a dedicated system is probably more efficient than relying on a third-party one that accommodates competition and is less likely to prioritize the hotel's administrative needs. And that is it for our project presentation. Thank you for listening.